Hey there, I'm Christian and welcome to RackNerd TV. Today we're going to dive into the world of SSL certificates and I'm going to show you how to install a free AutoSSL using CertBot powered by Let's Encrypt for your domain with the Lomp stack or Open Lightspeed web server. Now I should point out that today's video assumes that you already have a Lomp stack and a website set up on your VPS, so if you haven't got that far, then be sure to check out the previous videos on RackNerd TV's YouTube channel, that is this YouTube channel here, and then come back to this video to continue. So if you're ready to enhance the security and trustworthiness of your website, let's get right into it. But first, let's talk about CertBot AutoSSL and what it is and why it is a game changer for hosting websites. CertBot is a free open source software tool that automates the process of obtaining and installing SSL certificates. SSL certificates, as you may know, encrypt the connection between your website and its visitors, ensuring that sensitive information remains secure. With CertBot's AutoSSL feature, you can automate the renewal process, ensuring that your SSL certificates are always up to date without any manual intervention. So why should you use CertBot AutoSSL for your website hosted on the Lomp stack or on Open Lightspeed web server? Well, besides the obvious benefits of improved security and data protection, CertBot offers a seamless installation process, making it ideal for beginners and experienced users alike. Plus, it's completely free, which means that you can save some valuable resources while still maintaining a high level of security for your website. Now, let's go ahead and look at a step-by-step guide for installing CertBot AutoSSL for your domain with the Lomp stack or Open Lightspeed web server. Again, as mentioned earlier, and before we begin, you must have already gone through the Lomp web stack series, which I will link in the description down below. This tutorial will assume that you already have your own server with the Lomp stack set up and WordPress installed on it and already linked to your domain name, in which we will test our SSL certificate on later. So let me go ahead and share my screen here and let's get into the tutorial. Okay, well, the first thing I want to do here is probably show you that my demo site for the previous tutorial series is not being served with an SSL certificate, as you can see. Now let's go ahead and log into our Lomp stack server and update our package manager by running the following command. Once the update is complete, next let's go ahead and install CertBot by running the following command. Once CertBot is installed, you can generate your SSL certificate for both root domain and your aliases by running this one line of commands, replacing your own domain here, of course, along with your website directory as we've discussed from the previous tutorial. With this command, it will start an interactive CertBot wizard, allowing us to generate an SSL-only method, but it also has a feature to install it directly to our domain's website directory. And as I demonstrate to you what I will do for my demo SSL generation here, you're free to follow along with the on-screen instructions, or you can simply follow along with me. Once the certificate has been generated, we are now ready to let our web server know which is Open Lightspeed and that we already have a certificate installed. To do this, let's go ahead and log into our WebAdmin panel by navigating to your server IP along with a colon and the port 7080. I'll put an example on screen. Once logged in, navigate to the virtual host section and view WordPress virtual host name, then select the SSL tab. And then under the first selection, we can edit this and paste the paths to our SSL certificate and private key file. We can find the paths for our SSL generation results here. Once done posting all, select the radio button to yes for the changed certificate section because it is indeed a changed certificate, then save the changes and restart Open Lightspeed. Now let's go ahead and open up our browser to check and test our website, and voila. As you can see, our website can now be served through HTTPS, which means we've successfully installed and set up our SSL certificate for our domain. But wait, we're not done yet. Let's go ahead and make sure that our general settings are serving our web traffic through HTTPS. Now, once again, let's check out our website to make sure that nothing has gone wrong with our changes, and voila, everything is good as expected. And just like that, you have successfully installed CertBot AutoSSL for your domain within the Lomp stack or Open Lightspeed web server. It's incredible how easy it is to enhance your security of your website with this one tool, a free tool, mind you. Now, if you want to learn more about hosting your website on a reliable VPS with top-notch performance servers and how we can assist you in optimizing your online presence, head on over to racknerd.com. Our team is ready to provide you with a reliable hosting solution and excellent support 24/7. And I hope that you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to like the video for more content like this one. Thank you for watching, and let's talk real soon.